Have a look at this, everyone. I think, oh, let's see if this lion decides to climb up. He's stretching his claws a little bit. He looks like he's very interested. Watch. There he goes. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Up he goes. Now, it's very unusual to find a male lion climbing a tree like this. They're not as agile as leopards, and he's obviously trying to get to that leopard kill. I wonder if he's going to decide to bring that kill down. That's very special. I was eyeing out the other carcass. That's the one carcass on the left. That's just about finished. The leopard finished most of it. And then the other carcass on the right, that's got all that fresh meat on it. Let's see if he... Wow, he's really... It's almost like he's hanging on. There, watch. Oh! Wow, look how powerful he is. He's holding that whole impala carcass now. Let's see, is he going to drop it or try and climb down with it? How is this lion going to do this? Watch. Oh, look at that. Amazing. So you dropped half of it and then he's just... But listen to him growling. Listen, everyone. He's growling at the moment. So he dropped it and then just took that leap at the end. But that's quite a drop for this big male lion. That is amazing.
Are you wild about the wild? Subscribe to Safari Live and experience the wonders of the wilderness. And if you click on the bell below, we'll notify you every time a safari goes live.